What is happening in the crypto world? The market is on fire and staying updated is your only edge. This is Bitcoin Bulletin, and we're diving headfirst into the breaking news that's shaking the foundations of finance. First up, we've got El Salvador making a surprising move that's got everyone talking. They're diversifying their reserves in a way nobody saw coming, and we've got all the details. Next, we're talking about a titan of the crypto space. Saylor is not just making headlines, he's joining the elite Bloomberg Billionaires Club thanks to his unshakable Bitcoin conviction. His strategy is paying off, and the lawsuit drama is finally over. We'll break down how he got here and what it means. Then, the king of crypto itself, Bitcoin, is back in the spotlight. After a summer of volatility, BTC is eyeing a mind-blowing rally that could redefine your portfolio. We're talking about potential price targets that sound like science fiction, but could be reality. Is $200K on the horizon? And finally, we're looking under the hood at the intricate and potentially troubling world of Bitcoin mining. Difficulty is skyrocketing, and centralization concerns are growing. Is the decentralized ethos of Bitcoin under threat? You do not want to miss this. Stick around, because the information you need to navigate this wild ride is coming right up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. El Salvador buys gold, signals shift from Bitcoin reserves. El Salvador has just made a significant acquisition, purchasing nearly $50 million worth of gold. This marks their first gold bullion purchase since 1990 and signals a clear move to diversify their national reserves, stepping away from their heavy reliance on Bitcoin. This strategic pivot comes at a time when gold prices are surging, nearing record highs, and benefiting from robust demand from central banks worldwide. Analysts are interpreting this move as a calculated step to stabilize El Salvador's financial standing and rebuild confidence with international partners, especially in light of Bitcoin's inherent price volatility. While El Salvador still holds approximately $700 million in Bitcoin, the nation's overall reserves have seen a healthy increase, reaching $4.7 billion in July 2025. This diversification strategy aligns with a global trend where central banks are amassing gold at unprecedented rates, cementing its status as a premier reserve asset. Don't go anywhere, because the next story reveals how one man's Bitcoin bet has landed him amongst the wealthiest on the planet. Get ready for the Saylor saga. Saylor joins Elite Billionaires Club as Bitcoin strategy pays off. Get ready for some serious financial flex. Saylor, the visionary co-founder and executive chairman of MicroStrategy, has officially entered the prestigious Bloomberg Billionaires Index with a staggering net worth of $7.37 billion. That's a massive $1 billion jump since the start of 2025 alone, a 15.8% surge that's turning heads. This incredible wealth surge is directly attributed to Saylor's audacious, conviction-driven strategy of loading up on Bitcoin through MicroStrategy, which now holds over 252,000 BTC. His 491st ranking on the index is a testament to his bold foresight in the fast-evolving crypto landscape. Adding to the good news, a class action lawsuit that alleged MicroStrategy misled investors about Bitcoin risks has been voluntarily dropped by the plaintiffs, clearing the path for Saylor and his team to focus entirely on future growth without legal distractions. Despite MicroStrategy missing out on an S&P 500 listing this time around, Saylor's momentum is undeniable. With Bitcoin currently trading around $111,000, his personal holdings and MicroStrategy's massive BTC stash continue to drive his net worth skyward. Experts predict even greater gains if the crypto market continues its upward trajectory. But is Bitcoin's upward climb sustainable? We're about to dive into the critical price levels and market signals that could send BTC soaring even higher. Prepare for the Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin eyes $200K rally. Strong rebound from $110K support fuels bullish hopes. Bitcoin is showing incredible resilience, stabilizing around $111,000 after a summer of wild swings, and reigniting dreams of a massive $200,000 rally. This strong rebound is powered by a potent mix of whale accumulation, steady institutional inflows, and the ongoing post-halving dynamics that continue to bolster long-term optimism. Currently trading just above the crucial $110,000 support level, Bitcoin gained 0.8% in the past 24 hours, according to Bitcoin Bulletin data. Market analysts stress that holding this $110K floor is absolutely critical for BTC's next significant upward move. Charts reveal a bullish consolidation pattern forming around this zone, with traders seeing it as a launchpad for higher targets. However, conflicting technical signals, including a potential head and shoulders reversal pattern, suggest the path to $200K might be as bumpy as ever. Adding fuel to the fire, blockchain data shows that large holders, or whales, have snapped up around $3 billion in Bitcoin recently, often acting as leading indicators for market direction. Simultaneously, Bitcoin ETFs continue to attract billions, providing consistent demand. The 2024 halving event, which slashed miner rewards and reduced new coin issuance, is historically a precursor to major bull markets. Analysts believe this supply shock, combined with growing demand, could pave the way for a parabolic surge, potentially pushing BTC towards $200,000, 250, 000 if it breaks past $150,000. While Bitcoin's price charts paint an exciting picture, a different kind of challenge is brewing in the background that could impact the entire network. Prepare for a deep dive into Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining faces centralization headwinds amid soaring difficulty. Bitcoin mining is at a critical juncture, grappling with skyrocketing difficulty levels that are squeezing smaller operations and consolidating power in the hands of a few major players. This increasing difficulty, now exceeding 136 trillion, directly impacts miner revenue, making it a tough battle for smaller miners already contending with fluctuating BTC prices and rising operational costs. The industry's elite, like Foundry USA and Antpool, possess the capital to invest in cutting-edge hardware and weather financial storms. However, this leaves smaller miners in a precarious position, facing either closure or acquisition, which raises significant concerns about the decentralization ethos at Bitcoin's core. A handful of entities controlling a vast majority of the network's hash rate could pose security risks, including a heightened potential for a 51% attack, and could attract unwanted regulatory scrutiny. To survive, smaller miners are exploring strategies like optimizing for energy efficiency, leveraging geographic arbitrage for cheaper electricity, and adopting alternative models such as hosting services. Joining mining pools offers a chance at consistent rewards, but can also contribute to pool-level centralization. As regulatory attention sharpens on concentrated mining power, navigating compliance and transparency will be crucial for smaller operations seeking to maintain their presence in an evolving and increasingly centralized mining ecosystem. That's a wrap on today's deep dives. But before you go, let's do a lightning recap of the biggest stories. Stay tuned for the outro. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We saw El Salvador diversifying its reserves into gold, Saylor smashing records, and joining the billionaire elite with his Bitcoin strategy, Bitcoin itself showing incredible strength and eyeing a massive $200,000 rally, and the growing concerns around centralization in Bitcoin mining. Don't miss out on the next wave of crypto news. Smash that like button, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin, ring the notification bell, and follow us on all socials to stay ahead of the game. We'll see you in the next one.